another one is your Chef Derek on baked up, baked up. Okay, okay. Here we go. Banana cake, good for adult people, age 40s and above. Those who don't like more sugar, so you can try it. Okay, let's go on. This is the recipe for banana cake. Okay, banana, the ripped one, zile zimeiva kabisa, 5 pieces or more. 5 pieces. Oil, 1 cup. Vegetable oil, 1 cup. Milk, maziwa, 1 cup. Milk, 1 cup. Sugar, 180 grams. Sugar, 180 grams. You can reduce it to 150 grams because banana is sweet. So play about with the sugar. You can make it 150, no problem. Okay, we have flour, 360. Flour is 360, perfect. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon, for the flavor, cinnamon, 2 tsp, 2 tsp. Procedure, just simple as zucchini. Banana, oil, milk, sugar together. Then you add the dry ingredients. Make sure you enjoy. It's your Chef Derek on Baked Up. We'll name the next recipe we are doing.